Here we are at our Loxone Smart Home located outside of Philadelphia. Built in 2016, our smart home is over 7,200 square feet, and the whole entire home is fully automated with Loxone Smart Home technology. And the reason we decided to build this house was to showcase our smart home solution in a newly constructed environment. So when we do go inside, everything you see is 100% Loxone. So why don't you come with me and we can get started. Before we even go inside, we have our video intercom outside, which lets us see whoever's out front of our door, get notifications to our smartphone or tablet, and we can speak directly to whoever's out there. So let's go see the rest of the house. Now the Loxone Smart Home is unique in that it takes everyday tasks like turning on and off the lights, adjusting your temperature, adjusting your music, and even arming your alarm system, and does that all for you automatically. So the Loxone Smart Home in this house saves us over 50,000 tasks and thought processes per year, which not only saves us time, but allows us to live more comfortably within our own home. When we started looking at other smart home solutions, we noticed that when you walk into a room and you go to the switch, there's just buttons for everything. You have a button to control the music and entertainment, there's a button for the blinds, there's a button for the lights, and it's just a little too confusing. So we took this whole room control idea and we've simplified it. And with that simplification, we come up with the Loxone touch switch. So this switch has 5 easy and simple touch points. The way we have it set up, we have the middle is our lighting moods. So we have, you can cycle through, we have one for cooking, we have another one for entertainment, we have another one just for a simple relaxing evening. And Loxone not only has its own lighting solution, but we actually design and manufacture every light you see. So the pendulum lights, the spotlights, everything is 100% Loxone. And now cycling through the rest of the switch, we have our entertainment and music on the right-hand side. So we have, you can skip through tracks, you can change your source, you can volume up, volume down. And then on the left-hand side, we have our blinds. So a simple tap up to bring the blinds up, simple tap down to bring the blinds down. And this switch is really just created to simplify the whole room control, house control, so that it's easy for everybody. So another really great feature we have at Loxone, which you won't find in any other smart home solution, is our touch surface, which has the same functionality as our touch switches. However, you can actually place this touch into any non-metallic surface in the house. So here, for example, we have it in our granite countertop. A simple tap of the countertop will do the trick. So when we're chopping vegetables or kneading dough or our hands are wet, we can change the lights, we could change the music, we can adjust the blinds if we'd like. Anything that you would need to be done on our normal touch switch, you can do on our touch surface. Now you can also use this in your shower, or you can use it poolside, really anywhere that you want control and you would like a switch. Now what I want to show you now is something I think is really cool. Inside our Loxone touch switch, we actually have integrated temperature and humidity sensors, which allows the whole home to have intelligent heating and cooling. This is super cool because you can choose which rooms you want to be warmer or colder according to your personal preferences, but you can also set schedules so that certain rooms heat up or cool down during certain times of the day. So right now is about the time I need to take a shower. So after this video, I'm probably gonna jump in there, which is why I have this heating up right now. So this room, you can't tell, but it's much, much warmer because I like to keep it warm when I get out of the shower. The music just turned on. You can hear the Spotify playing. I have Spotify linked up to the Loxone music server, but you can link up anything you want. Any streaming service, iTunes, you can load music directly to the server. Very easy to change through it, just through the switch, Loxone app. You also might hear the ventilation fan. The ventilation fan turns on, and then it automatically turns off once the humidity goes down in the room. Into the next room, you can't quite feel it, but it's much colder in this room. That's because this is our guest room. The guest room isn't really used, so we don't want to be putting heat in here when it's not being utilized. Now that I've walked in, the room knows that I'm here, and it's slowly going to start heating up. The intelligent heating and cooling in this house is pretty amazing, even to the point if you open a window when the air conditioner is on or the heat is getting blasted in there, it's just going to shut off because there's no point of the house wasting energy through the windows. So it's smart enough to know that it's just going to turn it off, and it'll even make you aware that the window is open while the air is on. Now, everything that you've seen today is controlled locally by our Loxone mini server, and being that it's local, we have no reliance on the cloud whatsoever, so if the internet were to go down, everything in this house will still run completely as normal. I know I just went over the basics today, but the Loxone Smart Home system can do a lot. I mean, we have a self-monitoring alarm system, we have pool controls, multimedia, sauna controls, the list goes on, and in the future, we will be coming out with some videos to go over those things. But in the meantime, if you want some more information, you can visit us at www.loxone.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can stay tuned for any new things we've got going on over at Loxone.